Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are well. Today I'm excited to be sharing 3 Dollar Tree DIYs with you for candle holder and lantern ideas that you can make for home decor and room decor on a budget using items from the Dollar Tree. And then we will head over to Ikea and just kind of check out what's new there. I haven't been to Ikea since last year, so I'm excited to just kind of check out what's new and see what they have. Let's go ahead and get started. For this one, we are taking a wooden wreath base from the Crafter's Square in Dollar Tree, and you could go ahead and spray paint this if you want. I'm just going to use some gold metallic paint by Deco Art, and then I took 2 of these wooden rectangle pieces of wood from the Dollar Tree. If you have a stain that you like, go ahead and use that. If not, you could also use like an antique wax, something similar to what I'm using here, and if you want to dilute the color, just dilute it with a bit of water and you can kind of create your own DIY wood stain. I should probably stop explaining that because I've done it so many times. I'm sure you all know. Glue the wooden hoop in between those 2 wooden rectangles and create a base like that with a generous amount of hot glue. That's all there is to this one. Add your candle. Definitely recommend the LED candles. I will link this one down below. It's actually part of a trio set that can be used outdoors or indoors, so it's perfect. You can also set it on a timer if you want. For the next one, I found these little wooden boxes in Dollar Tree, and we're actually going to be using the wooden box and the wooden lid. Take the wooden lid off and place that, place it down on the table. Glue one of these wooden boxes right onto that. Take another box and stack it up on top of that one, and then another lid again on top of that wooden box. For that lid, we're gonna flip it upside down so that it doesn't cover the box. It kind of rests on top and gives us a tiny box for the top, like a shallow box that we're going to use as the top of our candle holder. So for this one, I did 2 boxes high, but I also did the next one and I went 3 boxes high. I think that you can go over them with a nice little wood stain. You could paint them, you could decorate them to fit with really any type of decor. They're very versatile. I cut out a piece of the little removable wall stickers that Dollar Tree sells, and they had this little wood look one, so I cut that out and used it inside of the little wooden squares at the top where I'm going to be putting my candles. Now I found some little palm branches in Dollar Tree in their floral section, and so I cut off a larger and a smaller little palm frond, I think that's what you call it, a palm frond. I spray painted them gold and then I glued them onto the front, and so they add this nice raised textured embellishment and just like a nice detail. I feel like it brings out a very simple kind of modern coastal look, but it would definitely really be able to be versatile and fit with different types of decor. Let me know if you guys would add the palm branch or not, or if you would do something different to decorate this one. What are your thoughts on it? But all in all, love how this came out, and I have it styled in my bookshelf right now. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next one. I'm taking 2 of these little square wooden wall decor plaques. I had them left over from a craft I did back at Christmas time, and I had painted them over. I took 4 wooden dowels, a generous amount of hot glue in each corner to stand up the wooden dowels, and then glued the top piece on. I like the contrast with the wood, and it also matches perfectly with these little wooden cutouts that Dollar Tree is carrying. I just glued on 4 wooden flowers across the top and bottom on each side. This is the lid from another one of those wooden boxes, and it has this most beautiful butterfly cutout in the wood. I think it's so lovely. It adds like this extra layer to the top of your lantern. I think it makes it look more realistic. It gives it a little bit more size. It also gives you a place to neatly be able to attach like this little handle. I mean, this is really for looks. We are sticking with battery operated candles. We don't want any fires, so no real candles in here. Stick with the LED ones. I ended up deciding to actually add the bottom of that wooden box inside and just pop a candle right in there, and I think it's kind of interesting, kind of fun. Let me know if you think you like it better with or without that box down inside of the lantern. I was kind of undecided, like if it was adding like a nice extra touch, a nice extra element with the different color contrast, or if I should just leave it out, just leave the base of the lantern. Let me know down below in the comments. While we head over now to Ikea. Renee has been wanting to go, and to be honest, I was excited to see what was there too, because we have not been to Ikea since last year, and so I'm just excited to kind of see what they've laid out for spring and summer this year, what kind of any like new home decor that they have. And I always love looking at like the light fixtures and the plants and any kind of like kitchen accessories. I love to see how they set up their kitchens and style everything. That's always so inspiring to me. And I think I've honestly loved everything that we've ever probably gotten from Ikea. Has just been a really good deal, and we've really liked it. The only thing I personally didn't like was a mattress. The current mattress that we have is from Ikea, and I do not like it at all. It's just, I mean, at this point we've had it for a while, but it's just not my favorite. But we've had multiple couches from Ikea, and all in all, I'm just really happy with most of the home decor and accessories and furniture that we have gotten from Ikea. So much of our stuff is from Ikea, and we really, really like them. So maybe steer clear of the mattresses, but other than that, let's go ahead and look through the store and just have a fun little shopping trip together. While you guys are watching, I would love if you would leave a comment down below and let me know what is the coolest thing you've ever gotten from Ikea, or what is your favorite thing you've ever seen there. Leave a comment down below. feel like we could really use a hamper like this. It's $54.99. So I'm just kind of deciding if I should look online. I haven't really shopped too much for one, but I think it would look pretty good in the bathroom. And right now our dirty clothes just kind of sit on the floor in the bathroom, and then we put them into the laundry room. But it'd be nice to have a spot to put them. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here. Let me know which one of these Dollar Tree DIY decor pieces was your favorite. The candle holders, the lantern. Let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing before you go if you haven't already, and I will see you soon in a new video. Bye! So I thought I would share with you what I actually picked up in Ikea, and I got this beautiful light, almost like a, not quite mint green, but very soft pastel green bowl. I thought it was very pretty. And then I also got these a set of 4 smaller bowls. I think it was $17.99, and each one is a little bit different. Some fun new kitchen finds.